lesson ko sa inyo. Prohibition and permission. They focus on the prohibition rather than the permitted. God, yung point ng Panginoon when they were put sa Garden of Eden because God wants them to be protected. God wants them to have that freedom. Kasi kung lalabas sila sa Garden of Eden, ano kaya mangyayari sa kanila? Yung provision, yung blessings, ando na sa Garden of Eden. Because they were protected and guided by God. Pero kaso lang, the problem was they were disobedient. They disobeyed. They don't want protection. They don't want freedom. That is why they committed sin. Yun yung problema ngayon sa mga tao. Kasi God is in authority. God is in authority. Pero kaso lang, we don't believe that God is able to protect us. We don't believe that God is able to give us freedom. Kasi we think that God is prison sometimes. Huh? So sometimes we think that God is nowhere to be found. And sometimes we don't believe that we are not under His care. Or we are not under cover. May isa akong estudyante doon sa home. First day pa lang sa klase. And I was teaching.